In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons to your Google Sites fast and easy. Whether you're looking to connect your viewers to your Facebook page, Instagram, or any other social media platform, this step-by-step guide will help you do just that in a few simple steps. First, let's navigate to Google Sites. Open your preferred web browser and do a quick search for Google Sites. Once the search results appear, click on the first link to access the main Google Sites page. If you're already signed in to your Google account, you're halfway there. Otherwise, sign in with your credentials to gain full access to your Google Sites dashboard. Once you're on the Google Sites homepage, select the site where you want to add your social media icons. This will be the site that you are currently working on or a new project that you're about to begin. Click on the chosen site, and this will open up the site for editing. Next, direct your attention to the right side of your screen, where you'll find a menu with various options. Click on the Insert section. This intuitive interface will be your main hub for inserting different types of content into your site, and today we will focus on images, specifically the logos of your preferred social media platforms. Now click on the Images button. This will allow us to insert images either by uploading them from your computer or by searching online. Click on Upload, then navigate through your computer files to find the social media icons, such as the Facebook and Instagram logos that you've prepared beforehand. If you don't have these images ready, you might want to download them from a reputable source or simply do a quick search to find them. It's best to use clear, high-resolution images that will look good on your site. After uploading each icon, you'll want to make them clickable so your site visitors can be directly linked to your social media profiles. To do this, click on one of the uploaded icons, which will reveal a small toolbar. On this toolbar, locate the Insert Link icon. It typically resembles a chain link. Click on it. Here, you'll paste the URL of your corresponding social media profile into the text box. Ensure that there are no typos, as an accurate link is essential for connecting your viewers to the right page. Finally, after pasting your URL, click Apply. You'll see a small check mark appear, indicating that your change has been successfully applied. Repeat these steps for each social media icon you want to include. And there you have it. You've successfully added and linked your social media icons to your Google site. Feel free to adjust their size and placement for the best visual appeal. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in enhancing your Google site.